welcome back to my channel, and you know, it's your girl, KK. Well, people call me KK, but my real name is Christiana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, subscribe please, and turn on the post notification. As you know, I'm in the woods, kind of, but there's like this beehive room here. I was just over in that fort. I discovered a beehive recently. So, yeah, I'm going to show you this sweet thing. So, my grandpa built this for me. Oh, God. Sorry, guys, it's really bumpy out here. Ow. Am I fighting? I was literally just moving. So this is our sweet ride right here. Tire swing. My grandpa built that for us. Here's mine right there. He's gonna put it up soon. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys. So yeah, I bumped that. I was trying to spoof you guys. Cause like, you know. I love making you guys scared, but there are thorns here. And I think one pricked me. See ya, guys. See? I'm already bleeding. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you my pigs. So I'm gonna show you my house real quick. So that's my big house right there, and I will discover it with you guys down below. I will do a house tour after this video. Ow, something like actually bit me. And also I will show you my sweet bikes that I have here. I don't think my cousin's gonna be coming today, but I will show you down in the description box below. I think on this channel that I had her linked down with the butterflies and the coyote season and all that. In my other video, in my other YouTube channel called Christiana Taylor. Right. I don't know what that is. I don't think I want to. Yeah. But like, oh God. Hi, piggers! Ooh, ooh. Oink, oink. My piggies. Hi, piggy. Look. They're called Oreos. The 3 Oreos. Right, guys? You're the 3 Oreos. See? Black, white, black. Black, white, black. Black, white, black. You guys seem hungry. Guys. Now they're just jealous because I'm here. It's a satellite dish. So, we still have that tree growing. Oh, I'm going to show you guys these graves. They were my family members, I think. I don't know. I think one's a dog. Somebody's out there. Guys, look. Oh, you guys. Can't zoom in. But Earl, safe. This one's a girl, that one's a boy. I'm up here by the pigs. And we have a whole field here. We have the pig pen, and I will go show you the rest. I'll be right back. First, so I'm going to actually feed my pigs real quick, and I will show you how to do it. Well, my grandma will, because I'm not going to do it, so. Because, you know, I'm a city girl, but, you know, this is my hometown. Look, it's real Pearl. So let's see. Okay. We got the pig food. Got the pig water. You okay? You about to drink that? They've been stepping in the mud, and then they got their dirty water all dirty. Hi, Piggy. I remember.
Stop it!
When we had pigs before, one of them tried biting my clothes. Gotta carry this big grain for the piggies.
Stop it.
Yep. Ooh, they're hungry. They're all digging in there. Is that an electric fence? Watch out, guys.
Don't drop the tablet.
Oh, you guys got it on your face. They have it on their face, guys. It's pretty funny. Do you think that Shiloh purposely put that beehive in there?
I have no idea. I've got physical therapy right now.
Oh, she is? Do you think she'll be able to come here after?
No idea.
I wish I had Aunt Char's number. Do you have it?
Aunt Char is at physical therapy.
Okay.
But she might step over and not sure.
If she does, me and Chai can play if it's not too dark. So I'm going to show you the rest of these woods, but I'm not going to go too far, Grandma, okay?
Yeah, no, you're not.
Nope. Me in those woods by myself? Uh-uh. Because I don't know if a bear is going to come eat me. Oh, God. I think the dog ate something. There's fur everywhere. It looks like a dog. What did this dog eat? Is that the rest of the thing? Oh no. Okay. there are teeth here. There is skin and fur everywhere. Oh, there's dog shit everywhere. Okay. If I step on a body part of a deer or whatever it is, I'm about to scream. Or did I just see that thing? Nah, let's go this way. It's much safer without this thingy coming back. Here's more of the bones. Guys, look at the bones. Oh. They went under there. But yeah, so there's bones everywhere. Probably a dog. I really don't know. And I really don't want to know. I'm gonna set you on my grandma's car real quick. I have 5 more minutes. Gotta pull up my pants. Going. Yeah, there you go. He definitely killed some kind of animal.
Huh?
There's a jaw
Yeah,
and teeth.
It's a deer, honey.
But why is there so much black and white fur?
Because that would be from the deer.
There's black and white furred deers? Wow, I did not know that. But yeah, so I'm going to end it there. And I just want to show you my little cousin's. He's only 2 years old. And I want to give a shout out to my aunt. Not my uncle, but not really my uncle, but like I just want to give a shout out to them because they had this beautiful son and he's so cute. So here's his little tree, guys. And his little thing says Jacob's tree. Aw, I gotta fix this. Aw, it fell apart. There's still holes. So I can still make it happen right here. Here. Real quick. I'll be right back. When I set it, we got him a little tree and everything. But then after this, I'm going to make a house tour. Bye, guys.